In this video, we'll explore the conclusion, the secret to results that last, from Atomic Habits by James Clear. Let's dive in. There's an old Greek idea called the Sorites paradox. It asks, can one coin make someone rich? Probably not. But what if you add another? And another? Eventually, yes. The same idea applies to habits. One small change might not feel like much, but when you stack many tiny improvements together, they can completely transform your life. You don't become fit, wealthy, or successful overnight. It takes thousands of small choices, each building on the last, over months and years. At first, these small improvements seem meaningless. They get lost in the bigger picture, like one coin in a huge bank vault. It doesn't look like much at first. But over time, those small wins start to shift things in your favor. You reach a tipping point, where good habits begin helping you more than hurting. Once you hit that tipping point, good habits become easier to stick with. The system starts working for you, instead of against you. We looked at many examples in this book. Athletes, artists, business leaders, all reached the top through small, consistent improvements. They didn't rely on motivation or luck. They used a system, a way of building habits that made success automatic. Success isn't about reaching a finish line. It's about improving every day. It's a process, not a destination. If you're struggling with habits, the problem is probably your system, not you. You need a better framework for change. Use the 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious. Make it attractive. Make it easy. Make it satisfying. Each law helps fix a different part of your habit loop. Use them again and again to find what works best for you. Push your good habits to the left side of the scale, make them obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Move your bad habits to the right, make them invisible, unattractive, hard, and unsatisfying. Improvement never ends. There's no final solution. Keep adjusting your habits using the 4 laws. Look for the next small change you can make. Rotate through the laws until you find what helps you grow. Don't stop making improvements. Big results come from not stopping, not from doing something perfect, but from doing something regularly. Final summary, from the conclusion, small changes may feel pointless at first, but they compound over time. Success comes from systems, not goals. Use the 4 laws of behavior change to build better habits. Push good habits to the left, make them obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Push bad habits to the right, make them invisible, unattractive, hard, and unsatisfying. Improvement is a cycle. Keep rotating through the laws and finding ways to get 1% better every day. This has been the complete chapter-by-chapter summary of Atomic Habits by James Clear. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the bell icon, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.